So you just keep going until someone scores?
Keep going, don't stop. And then
This went 10 minutes.
It was golden high, but that goes exceeds past 10 minutes.
That's so slow, you can just get something to do it.
This again.
Shut up. Oh, it looked as if they thought they'd lost even if they were.
No, with the kick. Yeah. So I thought it was 26 all at that point.
Oh, it wasn't kicking to win it.
Oh, yeah, but it wasn't.
I think I found my level.
I didn't even know the score, to be honest.
Yeah, like he tried to attempt to pass it, but flew.
So the boy was going, yeah.
I know.
Ben, just clarify the Tom.
Who's
this guy that's
just clarify?
the red and black team won.
Yeah, red team won.
I thought the team
Blue
red.
team missed a conversion
To draw.
and I free kick red.
Yeah. Sorry, I thought that red had lost it and done the chant. Yeah, Thomas, that would have been hilarious. Sorry, mate, you've lost.
Oh, it's actually a draw. Actually, going to play on.
My name's Sophia. Don't call me Fiona. I read Garwin. Don't know what it says.
Your signature is that?
No, Morgan.
What's him?
Because it's more Fiona.
How did you get through there?
Yes, my name.
Good player,
He's quick.
Kaya ofyn I Bro Morgannwg a Cymrymni dod draw i'r ardal gofrio self yna. Rhai Bro Morgannwg and Cymrymni come over to the presentation area, please.
I'm not going to guess. Fiona, no. No. See? He's struggling now.
Some say it's a boy's
Begin with F, she said.
Boy's name.
Some say it's a
Frank
boy's
Finley.
name. Fred.
Finley.
Finley.
Yes, it is. See my ID? See my ID? Everyone guesses me. I get ID'd all the time. Or like, what have good people done that you need to do? Yeah.
I spot tonight.
Not on the wall.
bath in my
Keep them builds at the moment, boys.
Can I take one of those recovery things home and bring it back tomorrow? Is that an option? Oh, he's still in there, isn't he? There's a 50-point rule that still apply in sevens.
I was thinking of it, I'm not sure.
Did this morning.
I don't think so.
The good games to
I thought it was, but then someone said, oh, there's no way they're going to reach 50
And
points.
the girls, the girls reached it twice with me.
Did they?
Gwen.
Oh, the people that won.
Yeah, Gwen. Like, soft throwing hands at people this time.
Yeah, well, that's what one of them did.
Did you see Ambrose game on the weekend? Ben? See Ambrose game on the weekend in the Moscow?
Oh, Gary, the old man.
Oh, 5 holidays. Does he have a
Hang Jamaica, Marrakesh.
Did he have a gold watch?
Refugees
Gary Cassetti.
I missed that, yeah. So he's probably in Aston Martin driving home now. Driving home for his £1 million man.
Yeah, she got me. Drives Aston Martin as well. He told me to go and do the feminist day. 2 sessions.
You serious?
Yeah, because I should do
But Gary can't speak it either.
You can? You can speak a bit.
Tittenbach like
Gary had to wait, as you can say.
Oh, they're different. Okay, I'm going home. I'm bored. Right, I'm going to walk all the way. Sorry, Ben.
Bye.
Ta-da.
On
Probably have like a bath or something.
Yeah.
Plough.
Yeah.
Llongyfarchiadau mawr I pawb oedd yn gyfle fflas. Oedd y sbeinal yn un andros o ddau wylio cyfle gwych rhwng y dau dîm. Felly, na ni ddechrau efo'r ail safle. In second place in the plate final. It's a very good final, well played by both teams. Yn ail, mae gennym ni Bro Morgannwg. Da iawn bechgyn, di chwarae'n andros o wych. Dych chi'n dod ymlaen I gael eich modalau.
Medalau. She's so Welsh, that would be ideal. Because you yawning on the other side. We just looked at you and you just went. That's like that. He's up for this, isn't he?
Pads couldn't do it.
Yes. What do you want about now? Restart? Yeah, it's got to go 10.
No, it's going to be the end line.
It should be on the line.
Yeah, just ask him. Drop the ball.
Yeah.
Drop kick, yeah. That's why they do it every time, funny enough.
Do you play rugby?
Da iawn, Bro Morgannwg, do bod chi'n falch iawn o'r ffordd ydych chi wedi chwarae heddiw, ffantastig, da iawn.
Spears, he plays Spring League.
Ac yn fuddigol yn gystadleuaeth y plant heddiw, the winners of the plays competition today, mae gennym ni Ysgol Cwm Rymni. Ffantastig hogia wedi gweithio'n andros y galed drwy dydd, da iawn chi.
Hello, Rodri.
The last game they done with me was the one because they done it the ones they don't pick on one side, the ones that are babies or unsure on the other side. Pick what? I don't keep score. Brits are best.
Dragons punt, isn't it?
Did they?
You are deep. You are deep.
Good stuff. The team when they go and actually rock up and play properly, learn
Da iawn I bechgyn Ysgol Cwm Rymni.
I did Holland in rugby league. I
the thing about come to the Sugar more than they can play on because I've known grown up. And for the first 2 years he was third in the string after coming straight from the Wild No, they moved that stepping stone in it. Another team.
It's like the reality A teams like they do in the
Well, they apparently used to. Did they used to I tell you what, I tell you what, I told you money and you give her £7. The other one I did this
Yeah, they reckon you could do it.
The other one I disagreed with was Graham Pass player as we
Referee, that's his position.
At one point it was all standing in the field and we stood here.
I remember a referee was his
So yeah, like
the bloke was like, right, you guys
Yeah, we're referees.
yeah, bring them on. You could have brought them on for the last 10 minutes and you're giving it a lucky send off at the end.
They needed it with these.
Yeah, they didn't have
Yeah, that was your first. Well, I think that's what they were hoping.
I gotta be honest, so I don't. Dan Bigger had all the money. Didn't you know where? I said to him. No wonder the referee doesn't listen because it goes on about so much different stuff. It's like,
More of that.
some of them are standing. FC's banned with the screen the ref. I won't kid and he went, oh, but Dan Bigger does it on TV. Shouting at the ref. I'm not on TV, am I?
Get back. Please. Manners, see? Manners cost nothing.
You
It's the one without the sauce in it, like the tandoori one.
Overrun something.
You were like, I know. There's never any trouble immediately in front of me.
Well, no, I think the front row rugby, I know I just no, the thing is, when I do the first time,
Like a song.
anytime 7, sometimes
I tell you once, I don't tell you again, next time you're going to feel it. And fact I know.
awful.
Absolute awful. But they kick it over here for. When you should have gone for here.
No,
I suppose it is. Oh, the referee's always blind.
XL Jordan, I'm an XL.
Seven Stones come up that the WRU. Ben was saying it's a random. Ben was saying it's not. It's like find them and getting yourself into that stress.
They are, but they could.
Basically going for a select like you've got to be a choice standard and then you've got to get selected the elite get through.
Referees are never wrong.
She's all signals, he hasn't celebrated. Like when you like this in order I haven't done it very often. No, I think I run similar line. Like that's the I would have gone. I would have gone. If he gets on the edge of the flight, yep.
Are you call 850 or?
I've seen it coming in. Yes. You call 850? I've seen it when it's 15 right now.
Do it as a
Putting straight back out.
We'll get you the next time.
If he gets it.
Right.
He gets it. Tell him last try.
Bed. Bed.
Ah.
No, try. Try.
Last try. It's last 5-0.
Gentlemen, I shall see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Bravo.
am, and at my spot.
Huh?